Jason Maurer, and I work for Denver Boulder Couriers. And working in the snow can be kind of interesting, and we're out every day anyway, so you just gotta kind of take it a little slower, and watch out for cars a little more because they just can't slow down as fast. But other than that, it's real fun to be out riding in the snow.
I'm Alina and I'm 16 years old, and I'm here for a visit with Sandy Lake High School. And yesterday I wore a skirt, and today I'm here with my winter gloves, so I'm not so excited for the weather.
Me too. I also don't like the weather because it's so cold and it snows all day long. It's very wet, so we hope that we will soon have better weather.